In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean, decontaminate and protect your glass in just a few easy steps. So if you're the sort of person who struggles to get perfect glass, or you just get annoyed with those squeaky wiper blades, then fear not, because I've got you covered in this video. And best of all, you don't have to be an expert car cleaner either. All you've got to do is simply follow along to these steps and you'll be able to get perfect glass in no time. So why do we need to protect our glass in the first place? Well, firstly, it gives you a better visibility when driving your car in rainy conditions, and secondly, it will extend the life of your wiper blades, as there is less friction in between the surface of the glass and the blade. And thirdly, let's not forget that glass cleaning is always going to be a pet hate for most people, so this would definitely make it easier. So we have two products on show today, and it's very important to watch till the end because there's a few important things that you really need to know about, especially with one of these products after the demonstration's finished. So there's a couple of things you need to do before you even attempt using these products. Firstly, you've got to give your car a decent wash. Make sure you pick a good day. Don't go doing it when the sun's out in the direct sunlight in the middle of the day. There's nothing worse. You need to make sure you've got nice cool temperatures or do it in the shade. Once you're fully satisfied you've cleaned your car properly, you need to take out your glass compound, and you will be able to see a tiny hole where it comes out of at the top. You then need to give the bottle a quick shake, then take the cap off and start by using it in a crisscross or circular pattern. And it doesn't really matter whether you do either one. You just don't need to be squeezing it too tight, and just apply a little bit of pressure as well. And one of the things I love about this is the control I have over a traditional clay bar. And because it has a felt pad, you don't need to sacrifice any applicators either. Once you finish covering the glass, it's very easy to remove. So instead of using the old method where you might have used a dry towel, all you need to do is take a damp one and start wiping away. But you have to make sure that you keep rinsing it out so you don't put any product back onto the glass. And once I've finished that stage, I then take a dry towel and wipe it over gently, just because I want to make sure that I've removed all of the residue. So once you've finished using your compound, you have to make sure that you give it a good rinse first. So as you can see here, if you didn't rinse it, what will happen is, because it is a compound, it will dry out, and next time you go to use it on your windscreen, you're going to get powder everywhere, and that's the last thing you want to do. So all you have to do is give it a quick rinse and a brush, put the lid on, and then you're good to go for next time. Now that we've successfully completed the glass compound stage and we have a blank canvas to work on, we can then move on to protecting the glass. So we need to switch over to the Glaco Rain Repellent. So shake the bottle and remove the cap, then give it a gentle squeeze on the bottle, and you will notice a small amount of liquid come out of the felt pad. So please don't squeeze it too hard, as a little will go a long way. You then need to start moving it in circular motions until you've finished with the windscreen. Once you've completed the glass, you need to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the temperature and the environment conditions. So if you have chosen to work outside on a warm day, then it won't need the full 10 minutes. To remove the residue, simply grab a clean cloth and buff away. So I've just finished doing the McLaren and I did the whole glass with minimal products. This stuff will last a very long time. Even if you wanted to use it on other clients' cars, you have a massive potential to make a little bit of extra money through upsells. How much? That's up to you. But as for a weekend warrior, you're not going to run out of this stuff in a long time. For best results, once you've finished applying and removing the glass coating, ideally you need to keep it dry for about 12 hours at least. And that's another reason why I say pick your day wisely for those of you without a garage to put it in. And I want to go against the rules just for this demonstration because I know many of you want to see how quickly the water runs off. So here is a quick water test after just 1 hour from application. And also I want to show you how easily it runs off with a bit of wind resistance. So I put the car dryer on a low speed setting just to see the effects of this coating in action. So it's ridiculously easy to apply and also easy to make money off. And if you haven't heard of Soft99 before and you want to know a little bit more about their awesome products, then I suggest you go watch this video right now.